morning, I'm Alice Safira reports directly from Semitao, Kapuas Hulu. Starting from Wuhan in China, the coronavirus or COVID-19 has now spread throughout the world including United States, Germany, France, Australia, and Russia. The first death from the coronavirus outside of China was reported in the Philippines on Sunday, February 2, 2020. The World Health Organization has declared the coronavirus a global health emergency because the outbreak continues to spread to a number of countries outside China. The coronavirus pandemic has been going on for 10 months in Indonesia, but the number of patients infected with COVID-19 is still growing. Based on the data compiled by the government, until Friday, there were an additional 12,818 people new cases of COVID-19 in the last 24 hours. This is a record high during the pandemic. The addition has caused the total number of COVID-19 cases in Indonesia to now reach 882,418 people, starting from the announcement of the first patient on March 2, 2020. With this data update, there are now 163,484 active COVID-19 cases in Indonesia. Okay, now I'm in one of the store in Semitao with the owner. Good morning, ma'am.
Selamat pagi,
Okay, what is your name and where do you come from, ma'am?
nama saya Sylvia, saya berasal dari Sumatera Barat dan saya di sini merantau.
Okay, it means that you are migrating here. So, ma'am, how long have you been live in Kalimantan?
Saya sudah tinggal di Kalimantan sejak tahun 2000-an. Jadi sekitar 18 tahunan gitu.
Okay, the reason you live here was because of your job or to join your husband, ma'am?
Saya di Kalimantan karena ikut kakak dan saya juga sekolah di sini. Setelah menikah saya ikut suami.
Okay, so you have been living here quite a long time. So, ma'am, how long have you been selling in Semitao, ma'am?
Saya sudah berjualan dari sejak tahun 2014-an. Nah, jadi sekitar 6 tahunan gitu saya berjualan pakaian.
Okay, is this your own store or someone else and you only run this store?
Alhamdulillah, toko milik sendiri, milik saya dan suami.
Okay, ma'am. During the current pandemic, many trades are having economic problems due to lack of buyer. So, ma'am, have you experienced the same thing, ma'am?
Ya, sekarang di masa pandemi ini memang sepi pembeli daripada biasanya, omset juga berkurang daripada biasanya. Kemarin waktu Natalan biasanya ramai, sekarang sepi. Begitu juga Lebaran, biasanya ramai, sekarang sepi. Jadi omsetnya bisa berkurang dari 50%-an gitu.
Okay, this means that the current pandemic has a huge impact on your family's economy. So, ma'am, how do you manage your finance so that your family finance remains stable, and what are the tips to keep your finance stable?
Ya, kalau saya sih biasanya awal bulan sudah mulai belanja untuk bulanan dan sudah saya hitung semuanya agar di akhir bulan tercukupi. Kalau untuk jajan anak saya batasi dan saya juga lebih memilih untuk memasak di rumah dan tidak membeli supaya keuangannya bisa stabil.
Okay, ma'am. Next question. In the present, of course, health is very important. So, ma'am, how do you protect yourself and your family from exposure to the coronavirus? Because every day you meet lots of people. So, how do you deal with it so that your family remains safe, ma'am?
Biasanya saya kalau pulang ke rumah saya langsung mandi dan cuci pakaian. Terus selain itu juga saya juga wajib menggunakan masker dan di luar toko sudah disediakan tempat pencuci tangan agar sesuai anjuran pemerintah. Insya Allah aman.
Okay, ma'am. What are the regulations that the government has set for the place of business like yours, ma'am?
Kalau di sini pemerintah mewajibkan tempat usaha harus mempersiapkan tempat pencuci tangan agar juga wajib menggunakan masker, baik pengunjung maupun pemilik toko.
Okay, I'm curious about the development of the COVID-19 case in Semitau. Okay, ma'am. How about the development of COVID-19 case in Semitau?
Alhamdulillah di sini masih belum ada yang dinyatakan positif dan semoga aja ini akan terus begini.
Okay, I mean, during the current pandemic, did you feel worried about being exposed to the coronavirus, ma'am?
Khawatir sih khawatir, tapi mau apa lagi kalau kita nggak jualan, tidak ada pemasukan dan keuangan akan tidak stabil nanti.
Okay, ma'am. Apart from being entrepreneur, of course, you are also a housewife. How many children did you have?
Ya, saya mempunyai 2 orang anak, yang satunya kelas 1 SD, yang satu lagi umur 1 tahun.
Okay, ma'am. That means the learning process carry out online, right?
Ya benar, pembelajaran dilakukan secara online.
Okay, what challenges did you and your children feel during the learning process?
Tantangannya itu ketika anak sulit untuk memahami pelajarannya, dan disitulah tugas saya sebagai orang tua harus tahu gimana cara agar anak tetap disiplin dan semangat walaupun belajar dari rumah.
Okay, ma'am. What are the tips and suggestions for children to stay disciplined and enthusiastic in the learning process?
Ya, tips saya itu paling kita harus sabar menghadapi anak kita karena mungkin saja mereka belum beradaptasi dengan kondisi yang sekarang ini. Jadi kita harus berikan waktu untuk beradaptasi dan juga memberikan anak waktu untuk bermain agar tidak stres.
Okay, ma'am. Last question. What are your wishes for this year?
Harapan saya pastinya agar pandemi ini cepat berakhir supaya kita bisa beraktivitas normal lagi seperti biasanya, dan semoga kita semua terhindar dari paparan COVID-19.
Okay, ma'am. First, thank you for sharing. I hope your wishes come true so that we can carry out our activity as usual. That's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alright, that's all the information I can report from Semitau Kapuas Hulu. Thank you.